What if I told you that every time you use email spam filter or get a movie? Recommendation, you're experiencing supervised learning in action? Today, we'll discuss about what supervised learning is, how it works, and why it powers most of the AI applications you use every day. So what is supervised learning? Simply put, it's when we teach a machine using labeled examples. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures and say, this is a crow, this is a pigeon. Over time, they learn to identify animals on their own. In supervised learning, we give the algorithm input data along with the correct answers. The algorithm learns the pattern, so when it sees new data, it can make accurate predictions. There are two main types of supervised learning. First, classification. This is when we predict categories, like spam or not spam, sick or healthy, buy or don't buy. The output is a discrete label. Second, regression. This is when we predict continuous values, like house prices, temperature, or stock prices. The output is a number that can be any value in a range. Here's the process. Step 1. Collect labeled data. This is your training set. Step 2. Choose an algorithm, like linear regression, decision trees, or neural networks. Step 3. Train the model. The algorithm learns patterns from your data. Step 4. Test the model. Check how well it performs on new, unseen data. Step 5. Deploy and predict. Use your trained model to make real-world predictions. Let's look at popular supervised learning algorithms. Linear regression predicts continuous values using a straight line. Logistic regression classifies data into categories. Decision trees make decisions by asking a series of questions. Random. Forests combine multiple trees for better accuracy and support vector machines. Find the best boundary between classes. Neural networks handle complex patterns in large datasets. How do we know if our model is good? For classification, we use accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. For regression, we use mean squared error, mean absolute error, and R squared. These metrics tell us how close are. Predictions are to the actual values. Where is supervised learning used? Email spam detection, medical diagnosis, credit scoring, image recognition, stock price prediction, customer churn prediction, and many more applications you interact with daily. Let's summarize. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models. There are two types: classification for categories and regression for numbers. The process involves collecting data, training, testing, and deploying. Common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. And we evaluate performance using metrics like accuracy and mean squared error. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and machine learning tutorials made simple.